Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hello everyone. In this problem it is given force of -50 I cap applied perpendicular to handle of the branch. Determine the moment of this force. We have to calculate the moment of force along OA. The branch and pipe assembly. Branch and pipe assembly is in bijet plane. Force is applied along x-axis. Branch and pipe assembly lies in bijet plane. Right? So we use scalar concept. Force along y-axis is 50. Force along x-axis is 50, and perpendicular distance for y-axis you can measure here 0.6, and this is 0.2. So total it becomes 0.8. So moment of force about OA line will be 80 into 0.8 plus 0.2, and this is making angle 135. So it will be cos of 135, and force is negative. So on solving it, this value will be 30.36 Newton meter, and direction will be along z axis. So you can also write in vector form. Unit is Newton into meter. So this is the answer for this problem.